Hello, my name is Rakan Ahmed. I am in grade 4B. Today I'm going to talk about monitors. A computer monitor is an output device that displays information in a pictorial form. A monitor usually compresses the visual display circuitry casing and power supply. The display device in modern monitors is typically a thin film transistor liquid crystal display, for short TFT LCD, with LED backlighting, having replaced cold cathode fluorescent lamp (CCFL) backlighting. Previous monitors used a cathode ray tube, CRT for short. Monitors are connected to the computer via VGA, Digital Visual Interface, DVI, HDMI display port, USB-C, low voltage differential signaling, LVDS for short, or other proprietary connectors and signals. Originally, computer monitors were used for data processing, while television sets were used for entertainment from the 1980s onwards. Computers and their monitors have been used for both data processing and entertainment. Modern computer monitors are easily interchangeable with conventional television sets and vice versa. However, as computer monitors do not necessarily include integrated speakers nor TV tuners, such as digital television adapters, it may not be possible to use a computer monitor as a TV set without external components.